So guys, today we will show you how you will wash fish so that smell will not be in the fish. So for this we took already this fish, so already clean with the water, and we need little salt, turmeric little, and water. So first what we will do, first we will put salt and this turmeric here and mix, and we will put one by one here. So first we have to put this little salt here, okay, and also little turmeric. So here I already put a salt and turmeric. So because if you will put like this, so this will be smell will not be in this fish, okay. So you should clean like this, so this will be clean proper. So I will wash one by one like this. You can wash like this, okay. You can put all fish here, okay, till 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will remove one by one, okay. Like this you can put in this, and this will be smell will not be remain in fish. So I make this video to give you information that this is the good way to wash your fish, because if you will wash like this, so your smell will not be in the fish, okay. So like this you can put in the water, okay. So 2 minutes you have to put like this, so this will be clean, and also this smell will not be in it. So now 2 minutes finished already, so we have to remove our fish one by one here, okay. So this is already clean, and also you will found that no smell in this fish, okay. So this is very quick and easy recipe. You can do like this before fry, or if you want to use this anything like you want to roast or fry. So this is the good way to clean your fish, and also smell will not be remain. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box. Many of our subscribers ask us that, sir, tell us how we will clean our fish. So this is the good way to wash your fish. So this is the easy and quick recipe. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. See the color, and also this is the good cleaning of the fish. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So we will come with another informative video also. And please, if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because benefit of the subscribe channel is that you will find all informative videos here. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.